Good afternoon. What's up? Life is a Mission TV. What's up? Life is a Mission family. What's up? Welcome back to another video. Give thanks and praise to the Almighty, He make everything possible in our coming out and our going in. So we have to just continuous give praise to Him. It's a bleak Tuesday evening. Boy, the rain drew down a little bit, but it doesn't make the time hotter. Better it did fall, we get even 1-2 inch of water upon the road. But the liquid water we drew, the way the time hot, it does like it you never steaming iron yet. And see, when you have the iron pan steam and the water come out and the hot is just dry in the liquid water, yeah. Make the place hot, my people. Anyway, want to know what to do? Just continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up as you hit the video. You understand? As you hit the video. And please remember, I am like an ambassador for this entrepreneur business. Young college student, as you know, see, I've been promoting it on the major channel or the main channel and also over here. And who not subscribe yet, me ask you, just go subscribe to the channel. The link will be in the description or in the comment section. Life with Gabby and Chev. Just go subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also, you will get the information of our business website and our IG business page. So you can go on the website and look what you want. Any gift you want for customized mug, cups, tumblers, necklaces, what you call it, bracelets. Just go on the website and you will see it all. You understand? When you soon see me I drink out of my cup, speak my mind, one nation. You understand? Yeah. Anyway, my people, I don't come to stay long. I come to touch upon 2 points. One of them is about the government system in Jamaica. With a particular system where them have set up. And the other one is about some of these females who can't even go into the kitchen and say, you as a man ask them to prepare a meal for you. And some of the most simplest meal, one of them might be hard in a sense. Not hard, but most people can testify so them can't do it. You understand? But I could touch upon the system with the government. We kind of plague me from a while now. Them say technology increase, and this is what I always talk about. It come like the government of Jamaica, whichever government it may be, only improve system for suit the system for themselves. Them don't improve the system for suit we the people, we the taxpayers, we the people who is going to use the system. Them not improve the system for us. Them improve the system for them benefit. Because for a while now they are saying technology increase, even of late, where the traffic system, the traffic law has been changed. And them tie this system in the system because them say one time gone, why so much man might have outstanding ticket because the tax office never tie with the traffic court and never tie with the traffic headquarters of the police force, and them tell you all kind of things we never tie. Everything did loose, everything did bust, not never tie. And now that they are saying that, okay, technology increase and them tie this with that and tie a slipper knot and all kind of times going now. As me say, them not do it for suit us. Them do it for suit themselves. And you see in this country, Jamaica, as government want revenue, the first place them turn to a motorist. Yeah, the first place them turn to a motorist. Is it that them increase tax fine, ticket fine, them increase this, them increase motor vehicle licensing, fitness, yes, motorists first. And not to mention Them just live pan taxi man and bus man. You understand? And when you check the levels, every day, actually every 6 months now you hear a set up a recruit. And crime is so rampant in Jamaica. And them say them a do this to fight crime. But yet still each time, as me always I say, when them police get recruited and come on road, them focus is about motorists, not the hardcore crime. Motorists. So why you're using the excuse at all times, you're ramping up the recruitment process of the police force to add X amount numbers to the police force, so you know you can help fight crime. Fighting crime by stopping a taxi man for no uniform, one extra passenger, no seat belt. That is not fighting crime, man. You have to fight crime from the hardcore route to where they know. We are not saying they must pay attention to motorists who breaks the law also, but that are the least of a problem right now. Alright. The point where me I try to get at is, imagine them tie the system them say. Alright, you go a country now for some reason, whether business pledge or whatsoever, you go a country. And you go a country and you get a ticket a country. And after you get a ticket a country, you live way a Kingston and you go a Mobile, Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, which part you go, and you get a ticket. You come back home all unconcerned and forgot about the ticket. You understand? When them grab you now, you understand? Pan them radar and warrant come out or whatever for that ticket and them grab you now. You have to go all the way back to Westmoreland to pay that ticket, you know. Where you get the ticket, you know. Remember now, you know, at Kingston, you live where you get the ticket at Westmoreland. See? You don't know things and things upon people brain in this country where you live. You might forget, and like you willingly never want to pay the ticket that you forgot. And when you do about the ticket and look, the date pass. And when them grab you on the radar or whatsoever, them a tell you say, when them have to carry you down because warrant out fear, so you have to go back down the road at Westmoreland for go pay the ticket. Sometimes based on the ticket, they might give you the privilege enough time of them carry you down. If a warrant you get grabbed on, them have to carry you down in a police jeep, like you're a prisoner. Go down. You understand? Sometimes now depends on the value of the ticket, they might give you the privilege. Whereas if no warrant no out, there's a ticket outstanding, if you go get it sorted out. But you shouldn't have to go way back at Westmoreland. You shouldn't have to get a ticket at St. Mary and live at Kingston and have to go back at St. Mary go pay the ticket. A foolish is that. And you have a tight system. Hear what them say now. The revenue from the ticket supposed to go towards the parish where you get the ticket from. So you have to pay the ticket in that parish. So why we should have bear all that expense if you go back to Westmoreland to pay a ticket? It should have can go through your system where we pay the ticket and the revenue calculated and delivered to the relevant department, whether the parish council or wait for go down there, and it go down there. It shouldn't be at the expense of the thing, man. And then you claim to say, you want to encourage motorists to pay them ticket. These things not encourage motorists. Because you now make the system not better for we. Just like you go pay a light bill, you have to stand up in a one long line. Not to mention since Corona, you have to out there, you got public service, you have to spend one whole day if you go query all one bill. Foolishness. Tax office, you go there for go license your car or whatsoever, one long line. 5, 10, 15 wind down when you look at two somebody at work. Because this is all most of these government entities stay. You see 10 wind down when you look at two somebody at work, now keep the place full. As early as the morning is, two somebody at work. Right up to lunchtime, 2, 3 somebody at work. When at that time of the morning, wind are supposed to full. Lunchtime now, in between, we're supposed to say, alright, we see a breakdown where, yeah, this are gone for lunch, that they gone for lunch, Tara gone for lunch. We can't understand that. But big early man between 8:30, 8 o'clock, where you open to up till 12 o'clock, to somebody run at a window we're supposed to have 10 somebody as serve as cashier. But here still you don't want to say people to come pay. What you not encourage people to pay? Because on the system you have in place not encouraging or encouraging the mass of the people them to come pay. Because when them check the level, the mass of the people when them come to pay, imagine you go for go pay one bill now. I go query one bill now or something and it take you one whole day. You left as early as 8 o'clock for try to reach a place 9 o'clock by the time them for open or 8:30. And at the same time it take you all 3, 4 o'clock you not get to. It not look good. We don't need to improve the system. Customer service in Jamaica is very poor. In every business in Jamaica, actually, customer service is very poor. Both government business, private business, everything, customer service. We need to improve upon that. And as me I say, authority of Jamaica, government of Jamaica, sort out that issue, yeah, man. You can't have a Kingstonian go a country, get a ticket for whatever reason, and you go tell him about him if you go back a country, go pay the ticket, or if the ticket expire, him if you go a country and all them something there. If him get whole a town then pan a warrant for your ticket a country, you have to carry him all the way. You see the resources on our waste? On our waste resources, you know. Taxpayers' money enough for transport man go a country, you know. Because all that could have dealt with at the local traffic court or the local tax office in the parish where him there. But on the burn how much gas and time and resources to carry him all the way to Westmoreland. Foolishness. All of you advisors to the government of Jamaica, the different departments and authorities of Jamaica, you need to start take taxpayers in consideration. You only take the consideration in suiting fool yourself, but not suiting us. Look at it now. You spend $100. You understand? If you gain $200. It's only 100 again for the 100, you know. You understand? And watch it now. It could have easily where you spend 25 cents, which is 75% less, and make that same $200. Where you find $175 going to the purse of the government. You understand? For do whatever you always a charge taxpayers, sir. But you spend 100 just to gain 100. All because of carrying a man from town. Transport a man from town in a police unit. If you go pay a traffic ticket a country, if you probably want $3,000 or $5,000. All because of warrant out for him. When you could have do all that in the technology system, you so tie up. When you could have do all that. We have traffic court at Kingston. We have tax office at Kingston. The head of traffic department at Kingston it there. So why you have to care about the man all the way a country? Foolishness. So all I want to advise to the government and the department of government and authorities, look into that. Quick and fast for the next issue. Life is a mission, people. Now remember, do the do. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up. And remember the link of the young entrepreneur, first year college student, is in the description and in the comment section pin. Go give her the support. This is what we want to see. To build a better nation. You know? Young people going forward in a positive way. Because enough of them fall away along the wayside because of, lack of support. Them have to turn to other source and other means to even get as simple as a meal. I'm not talking about to achieve what they want now, just as simple as get a meal. I'm not talking the greater portion of them goals where they would really want to meet. Alright? Anyway. You have a next issue where I want to deal with. A minor issue still, but this is about most of these young girls. Most of these young girls, them, all them think about is just fashion, magazine, just a freelance lifestyle. Nobody not say you must try to live happy in a life. But at the same time, it not make sense. You put yourself out of the way to live happy. It not make no sense. If you can afford to live your lifestyle, it's a total different thing than when you go put yourself out of the way. And then most of these young girls, it's like them not look on the bigger picture. It's always the little small photo them a look on, not the bigger picture. And sometimes them grow not trying to learn how to look on the bigger picture. So they continue to just look on the smaller picture. And then when they reach a certain age, and say for instance a man see them and like them and thing and whatsoever and decide to take them up, slow down them run around, because most of them used to run around. Slow down them run around and man take them up. But at the same time, because them never look on the bigger picture, so them not try to learn certain things what them can't do. Because it's just all about putting on nails, eyelash, eyebrow, makeup, clothes, party here, party there, magling here, you know, being with this man, that man, Tara man, because him have name and him a drive big car. But them never look on the bigger picture, say, I am getting older every day. Certain things that I don't know, I have to try and learn it. Because when me get old, it don't make no sense me try to learn it again, because it might be too late, although it never too late for a shower or rain. Most of these girls, you know, when them do find a little man and for some reason the man take them up, if them for boil 2 bananas for the man, then can't peel the banana, you know. Can you imagine? The last time me know one, the man beg her boil 2 bananas for him and hope me 1 tin of mackerel. Remember now, the tin of mackerel, you just open it and cook it up. You don't know, so the girl couldn't peel the banana. When the girl bring the banana come, I chop the banana chop up. You know, like when you boil manish water, you chop up the banana, put it with the skin. And so a girl carry the banana come give the man in a plate, you know. And me I say, look at it. If you can't peel banana, just tell the man say you can't peel it. But the pride where you have for this nice person where you claim to say you have and facial look and always flashy and where you're afraid to tell the man you can't peel banana. And if you even chop up the banana and give to the man, after you take it out of the pot, man, take it out of the skin now, no? You understand? You have some of them can't need flour. If them ever try need flour, them spoil that. Some can't steam rice. One of the major things I know, no phone in a phone right now can testify feet. And it's not even something hard for do, you know. It's just time and patience. But majority woman or majority people cannot do it. Woman in a whole way, we know say boy, yeah, them are got normal in a kitchen. You understand? You always say them can't do it. Guess what? Them can't fry dumpling. Me know if no phone willing to talk and comment now in a phone, you can say the same thing so you can't fry dumpling. I'm not ashamed to say it because I'm not alone. You understand? There's a lot, probably about 70% woman cannot fry dumpling. And as I say, I'm not hard to do. You understand? It's just time and patience. Dumpling, you don't fry dumpling on high flames. And this is a problem. Most of you women fry the dumpling on high flames. And it burn the dumpling. So when you go on the dumpling outside catch color, you bite the dumpling, the whole in it raw. Dumpling need low flame. And the best you fry dumpling in a lot of oil. So the oil boil the dumpling instead of fry it and burn it up. And it just need low flame. While it a catchy color, the inside a steam and a fry out. But many woman cannot fry dumpling. And this is why, you know, when we look upon it, me glad say back in the days, as me say, me not see nothing when nobody can say them take me up onto and teach me. Nothing at all. Me learn everything off of my own by look and observe. Yeah. You understand? Everything when me know, I look and observe. Nobody know hold me onto and lead me and say, this is how you do it. Even when me I learn to drive. A standard vehicle I learn to drive off and not automatic like most people I learn to drive off and now. And from me going in the vehicle, first me in the vehicle with the man, and me see where him go 1 gear, 2 gear, 3 gear. So when me go in there, me pretend like me a driver because me want a vehicle to drive. And when me go in the vehicle, I the same thing me do. 1 gear, 2 gear, 3 gear. My only difficulties at the time is when me reach an intersection and I have to stop. I always stop in a high gear and the vehicle shut off. So me never know what to do this so. You understand? And me find excuse give him 2 nights when I get the vehicle for drive with him. You know what me do? You see, next day me take one of them patty pan there, go from Waterhouse to Crossroad. Me sit down right behind the driver and me look exactly where him do from him move off to every gear him change. So me know say him up in a high gear. So when him go stop, me see where him do fi come down. And me realize say you have to sink your clutch and you come down back from 5 to 4 to 3. When you come to a stop, you can't come back down in your 1. But you have to come down from high gear to low gear else the vehicle go stall. And when me come back in a standard vehicle, you couldn't tell me say me not drive long time. You understand? So there's not the way me learn in life. Nobody hold me hand to hand and teach me. And me glad for that, so me did learn all these things. So this is one of the main thing where no woman can't come take me for idiot or fool or feel like so she can't hold me hostage or, you know, tie me foot them because me have to depend on her if she come cook me food, wash me clothes or clean my house. Because I make sure I can do all like myself. I can press everything. It's just that washing me not too like it. Whereas when you have to take up them big old sheet that they pan hand, they pan. Well, now you don't know washing machine come in and stuff. But back in the days when you couldn't afford them things that the middle class and high class could have do it. And you have to use hand. You understand? Yeah, man. So, most of you woman, you need to start take time out, especially you younger set of girls. We are grew up and feel like you going to be this young person, 16, 18, 20, 22, all the day on the life, and you going to freelance. There's going to come a time when you have to go settle and live some real good life. And them time they go too late. You can't peel banana, you can't knead flour, you can't steam rice. You don't know if you turn over a man pocket and him collar and him arm and wash out him clothes. So you try to balance on yourself. If you love on sporting because you're young or on mind young, so you want to experiment and establish on yourself in a magazine and fashion. But take some time out, man, and learn. Yeah, man, so you take a little time out on a busy magazine schedule. You understand? And try to learn certain ropes of a woman at a tender age because one is going to become a woman someday. We're not going to move from childhood to teenage to young girl to woman world. Where you wait for? When you get a husband, you have to hire a helper because you can't wash him clothes, you can't cook, you can't clean. You don't have as much as no for spread a bed. And that's one of the main thing we learn when we're young, both man and female. Your parents learn you how to spread bed. And not even bed someone can't spread. Because when the mindset you want to have is just about fashion, you know? And we do anything for the fashion. But we not do anything at all to learn certain substance of life. You understand? So, government of Jamaica, advisors to the government of Jamaica and the authorities and the department of Jamaica, we need to start advise the government in a way where it suit us taxpayers, not just the suit phone system we want to look upon. We play an integral part of the system, whatever way we want to change it to. And we have to change it to suit the whole party that is involved, not just on yourself. Because you change the system, say, okay, for raking $5 million, $5 billion for the year. But all you change the system, you're still not going to raise the $5 billion. I'm not saying you couldn't raise it with the change. But because of the change, people shy away or take the back door to do them dealings. Instead of come up front. Because of how you change it not to suit them. So I want to take the people them in consideration. And on the ladies, take some time out and learn the ropes of womanhood. Not tell yourself so you're not going to stay in a childhood every day. And young girl are not going to fit and you can run up and down every day. Remember, you know, the man who run down today we have him look hype and him big car and him big name and him look flashy money and clothes or him dress, you know. When him take you today, you know, and tomorrow morning him pick up a next girl, you have to go one side, you know. But when you learn the things to carry you through life, you will always have that. When all of them man they gone all a million times with different women, you always still Have you know how to cook, wash, clean, and take care of man? Oh, because sooner or later you're going to find a husband. Life is a mission, people. Thanks for watching again. Come to the end of another video. Continue to do. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And remember, the link for the entrepreneur, young college student, is in the description and pinned in the comment section. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, I'm asking you please to go over there and show me some support. You know, type in the comment that me send you. You understand? Because if you don't comment, I can't know say you subscribe, and then when we come out and big up the people them who comment, you might feel a way. You understand? But big up all who subscribe already, who might not comment. If you don't comment on a page and being a silent watcher and a silent supporter, we can't know unless you comment. So basically, the more you comment, the more we gradually get to know you and stuff like that. So big up the people that subscribe already to the channel. Who not subscribe yet, please just show me some support and go over there and support her and support our business. I am going to be like our ambassador. You understand? Yeah. So big up on yourself. Thanks for watching again. I'm out till I come with another video.